Well, sometimes things don't quite work out the way you had planned.
It was supposed to be nice all weekend. Today they're calling for possible rain. This is like us having Texas barbecue in New Jersey. People from Texas would come up and they would laugh at us.
This was a great place, guys. We like trying all the Pennsylvania state parks, as many as we can.
Oh, the warm weather is finally here, although I have long sleeves on, but I'm a little hot right now.
So good.
So we're back out, guys. Trouble-free trip we're going to bring you along with, including the world's largest general store. So if you've been interested, we're going to show you that in this vlog.
We're here with Sierra and Bowser with us. Jason's not here this weekend. He's got a very busy weekend with work and things. So the next couple trips are weekend ones, short weekends. So he's going to be not coming on those because he's a man now. You know,
That's correct.
He's got a social life.
He's watching the NFL draft.
Yes, that's what he's doing tonight. So yeah, we have some really fun things. This is one of those kind of catch up, relaxing also weekends. So we're going to bring you along.
We are trying out a new campground. So far, it's pretty nice.
So let's tell them where we are.
Yeah, tell them where we're at.
So we are in, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Lehighton, Pennsylvania. We're at the Stony Brook RV Resort. Now, that word resort,
It's loose.
it's used loosely a lot of times. So.
Almost as much as Super C.
So is it a resort? We're going to do a campground review. If we've done that, we will link it up above. If not, it'll be out in a couple days.
It's also off season, so everything's not open yet. The pool's not open. It's almost May, and it's going to go down to 32 degrees. You really do have to get into May before you get away from that threat of freezing weather.
What's for dinner?
I don't know. You gave me the recipe.
This is teriyaki chickpea stir fry.
Simple on the Blackstone. That way we don't go to sleep with swollen bellies. It's nice and light and easy to make.
That was a delicious dinner. So we did Trader Joe's vegetable fried rice, which is really, really good. That's one of our favorite things. And then we made the chickpea teriyaki stir fry. So good, guys. Oh my God. So it's just healthy and like filling. It's really, really good. And the dogs have finally calmed down. They were amped today. Bowser was really amped, but we walked them a lot, and now they are really calm, and we're gonna have a nice night and just kind of relax and look forward to our day tomorrow. I want to say good morning.
Oh, here comes the other one, because you can never be alone.
What? Get off that bed, buddy.
Go in the other room, guys.
Come on. Let's go. Go ahead,
So
Sierra.
we have a lot to do today. One of them being keeping these guys tired. We're heading out, taking them for a long walk. Although they already went this morning, but we're going to take them on a really long walk to wipe them.
Well, let's talk about where we're going. It's a really nice place.
What's the name of the place?
It's called, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called Mock Chunk Lake.
Mock Chunk Lake. So a couple things. Last night, we're at a full hookup site. 50 amps, of course. It's at that time of year where it doesn't get down to freezing, but it goes well below the operating temperatures of the heat pumps. So one of the ways we supplement, you see right here, we have this space heater. It went down to about 33 last night. So right at that brink, we could have run our furnace because the heat pumps just would have been too cold. Instead, we just run one of these over here and one of them over in the, they're like both at your feet right now. This is so funny.
They're very attached to mommy.
We run one in the kitchen, one here. It keeps it, it's like what, 72 in here? It's amazing.
It's perfect. It really is.
So that's the way, if you guys have full hookups and you just want to save on the propane and you're at that cold weather, check out getting a space heater, ceramic heater. They're relatively safe too, because you see
they turn off if they knock over.
Anyway, so yeah, we have a lot to do today. Tomorrow we're going to head out to dinner. Today we're making our own, as we did last night also. And once again, it's going to be a beautiful weekend because today it's going up to like 65 and sunny.
Plentiful sunshine, it said on the weather.
This has been a nice treat because we've been getting so much rain lately.
Yeah, right?
It's like crazy. And we also have, what are we doing today? 2 videos?
2 or 3.
A couple of Instagram reels. So if you don't follow us on other social media.
Stalker. You see what she just did? This is what... She pushes open doors very easily with her big blockhead. Anyway, go ahead.
Definitely follow us on Instagram. That's going to be endless_RVing. Also, of course, our private Facebook group, which is Endless RVing, RVers coming together. There's no cost to you for that. And we also have an Endless RVing Facebook group, which is pretty awesome. There is where we post a lot of stuff more real time. A lot of people in that group post a lot
of questions to each other.
More so them answering than us, because we just can't keep up with everything. One more thing we want to tell you guys, if you are a subscriber, make sure go back, make sure you subscribe. We're getting a lot of people have been unsubscribed not knowing, like thousands of people. So just go and check really quick if you are subscribed. Hit that button if you're not. The bed's made, we're all good. You may be wondering, how do you make that bed so easily? It's Betty's, guys. We have a discount code for Betty's. We'll put it down below.
I'm going to tell you, this is not a Betty's ad, but this is the most comfortable bedding I ever, and you have to get the Minky.
We've had them for years.
The Minky type is just so comfortable. Between the heaters and that, oh my God, it's great. We are ready for the magic show portion of this video, guys. Now, let me explain. If you watch us, you know how obsessed this man is right here with cleaning. Now, I like a clean home RV, but he takes it a step further. So I'm gonna let him take over from here.
So we're out here in the spring, and of course the weather's warmer, but with warm weather comes bugs. And traveling with this, it just becomes a disaster. Look at the Mustang, how dirty it is. And we've had a bunch of people ask us, how do we keep our motorhome so clean? A bunch of people have actually used this product, and this is going to be the time that we talk about release, guys. And if you've watched our videos, you know I am obsessed with release. I love doing these live demonstrations because it just speaks for itself. So you
put in the comments if you're a release fan. I know we have a lot of them out there.
We've had comments. If you go to our Endless RVing, RVers Coming Together, people saying it's the best cleaning product they've ever used.
That's our private Facebook group.
I'm going to show you. Yeah. So here, look at all the bugs here. You can see right up here, there's just one big one there. I'm just going to spray while I speak. I'm also going to spray the Mustang while I give you the spiel about Release. So Release is an all-in-one cleaner made in the USA, guys. SideQuestUSA.com, originally developed for the aeronautics industry. What's awesome about it is that there's no dyes, no sulfurs, and is safe on all surfaces. So that means you can use it anywhere on your motorhome, wheels, rubber,
or any RV,
paint,
any RV
in your home. It doesn't matter. We've used it on our upholstery, we've used it on our bathroom, wheels. It doesn't matter. On our roof,
my sneakers,
on her sneakers, we've used it also. The formula, what it does, it associates with the dirt, and it actually just, you're gonna say it's been sitting there long enough, right, guys? Let me show you. You see the bug here? I'm just gonna kind of put it over. It's already coming off. Look at that. So I'm just gonna go here. Look at that. That's clean. The bug that we showed you up here, you can see the dirt. I'm gonna flip it over. That little melted, disgusting thing there, I'm gonna wipe it off. That's gone. Okay. And now you remember, I'm gonna give this just a little bit more because this was really dirty.
Yeah, this car is filthy.
Flip over to a really clean side. You could see here. This is just all-in-one cleaner, and when you're on a RV, you have a weight issue, and that's why something like this, when you're not home, you use something like this. Let me just get rid of those streaks there a little bit, let it dry. Guys, look at the difference on that. That's just right in front of you, one-stop shopping. This stuff is absolutely awesome. We've been using it for a really long time. If you do use the discount code Endless10, you get 10% off. Now, we use the concentrate. The 1 gallon concentrate will make 80 of these bottles. These are 32-ounce bottles, cost you about $1.12. Carry 1 gallon, you have enough to clean really for the whole season. If you want more information, if you want to read about the reviews, we're going to put their information down below. Absolutely awesome, guys. We love it.
So now we're at, I know I'm probably saying this wrong, Mauch Chunk Lake Park. So this is a beautiful park in PA. It's about 20 minutes from where we're staying. They have everything here that you could want. They do have camping for tents, and they have cabin camping as well. There's an enormous beach, guys, like huge. You can take boats. They have a boat launch. You can take boats out. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous lake. They have volleyball. They have a camp store. They have pavilions. They have so much, tons of parking. So like Pennsylvania is known for that. They have a lot of great state parks and county parks and things that you can just take advantage of at a really low cost. So for those of you that are wondering, a lot of you are always asking us, guys, we got the countdown going now. We are stoked. We are down to 15 months till retirement. We're counting the days. It's like are we in the 4s yet? I don't know for the 4, but whatever. It's 15 months, do the math. This is what the dogs do, by the way. They love, put in the comments below, do your dogs love to eat high grass? These two would eat high grass. They're like cows. Anyway, 15 months of retirement. You're getting a lot of PA, New Jersey, campgrounds like that. starting in a year and a half, it's going to really change up. We're going to be doing a lot more Southern, Western, a lot of different varieties. So enjoy these while they last.
Weather's taking a little bit of a turn. It was supposed to be nice all weekend, but today they're calling for possible rain. And it's kind of been overcast all day. I mean, the temperature's good, but that's not going to stop us. We're
Still make the best of it.
We're still going to the world's largest general store. We're going to take the dogs there.
They're already resting.
Tired.
I know. Well, we took them on a couple long walks today so far.
Yeah, we're going to head out there, and then tonight we're going to go out to dinner, leave the dogs back, and then head out to Jim Thorpe. Never been there before. We're gonna check that place out.
Well, sometimes things don't quite work out the way you had planned. We went to the world's largest general store, which was very, very, very cool. So they had, I mean, anything. They had tons of food. They had a bakery. They had
Power tools,
yeah, like Ace Hardware.
Stuff.
Tons of like aisles of dog food and toys, and they had all this like home decor. It was really, really cool. I had never, that's why it's the world's largest general store. We had never seen something like that. The dogs enjoyed it almost too much. They were very excited to be there. So they were sniffing every single thing that they walked past. Then we brought them back. We took them for a walk, and then we just came to Jim Thorpe, which was formerly known as Mock Chunk, I think you say. Very cool little antique, quaint little town. We drove around. We were looking for parking, guys, and sometimes this is where things go wrong. The place was mobbed. We went from like literally not a soul in sight to we crossed this one area and bam, the whole world was at Jim Thorpe today. So they have like a train ride there. Sorry for the GPS. So many antique stores. They had tons of just restaurants. It was mobbed. I think a lot of people came out today, especially to ride the train, I think because it's raining and it's just kind of gross. So we just decided, we made an executive decision to kind of not walk around. We drove around. We got to see some of the beautiful like old homes and things. It was really, really pretty, but just not in the cards for us today. We definitely have to come back here at some point, get here earlier, and maybe on a nicer day, and we'll check it out. So we're gonna head to dinner a little early, which we never complain about. So we're going to a place called Sapore Restaurant in Lehighton, Pennsylvania. Some Italian place, looks amazing. So we're gonna go check that out. Hopefully the food is good.
So I'm excited to see how this place is. A little hesitant. PA, Italian, I don't know. But we'll see how it is. I got the eggplant, MJ got, all right, what'd you do?
Chelsea thing.
We're looking forward to it. We definitely got here at a good time, which is pre-senior time.
We do dine at pre-senior citizen time.
So senior time is what, 5?
Usually like 5:30.
So we come before that, but as you can see, it's super packed now.
Yeah, there's somebody backing up.
So what do we give this? On a scale of 10, I'll speak for myself, and then MJ will tell you what she thought. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. It was okay. It wasn't terrible. It wasn't like
mind-blowing,
but it was okay.
It wasn't my Aunt Rose's cooking.
No,
let's just put it that way.
Listen, again, guys, this is like us having Texas barbecue in New Jersey. People from Texas would come up and they would laugh at us. It's kind of the same way when you leave New York, New Jersey, then you go somewhere else like PA for Italian. Again, for PA, I think it was really good. But 7 out of 10.
So I'll give it a 7 out of 10 too. Maybe a 7.5 just to make it different. The food was very good. Again, I have an Italian aunt that makes like amazing Italian food, so it's hard.
It takes her 2 days to make eggplant parm.
Yeah,
so it's
yeah.
Process.
Yes. So anyway, but it was really good. We have high standards for Italian food, but for PA, it was good. The service here was phenomenal. The girl was so sweet. She was like 20 years old, so helpful, attentive.
She could actually speak.
She could communicate.
Which is a
like
rare occurrence.
Yes, in this day and age. Yeah. So it was a really enjoyable experience. It was nice to just kind of not cook for a night.
The price was 10 out of 10. That I'll give it. So we had 2 full dinners with bread, salad, dinner, 2 desserts, and it was $53.
That's crazy.
That's pretty good.
We don't see that in Jersey.
$80, and it's like $53. Wait, did they charge everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, $53. So that's definitely 10 out of 10. So we would come back here if you are ever in the area. What's the name of the place?
Sapore
Restaurant in
in Lehighton, Pennsylvania.
PA.
Put in the comments, guys. Curious about, dinner prices all around the country. So we don't go out a lot like at home because in New Jersey, dinner for two out at a diner could easily, it's over $100. Well, so if we go with Jason, over $100, no issue there, which is just insane to me. And we really cut back a lot on doing that. So what is a dinner out, like where you live? Let us know, like what, for like not a fancy place, but just kind of an average place. What are you looking at? So we're back from dinner. We've got UFC on behind. Izzy's a huge UFC fan, guys. So we took the dogs for a walk and we're just kind of chilling. If you're new to the channel, this is Sierra and Bowser's across the way. He's passed out. So we just released a video on our channel. We're going to link it up above. And it is about catchy titles on YouTube and clickbait, negativity. And we asked people for their brutally honest opinion on what makes you click on something on YouTube. So we want you to go watch that video. It's pretty interesting. Might shed some light on why creators do things the way they do, why we do things the way we do. And I can't believe the phenomenal feedback we're getting. I'm sitting here reading the comments and it's so helpful. It's exactly why we made the video, to get feedback from you guys. So I really thank you. And somebody, I just read a comment, which is why I turned the camera on. So sorry for if I look like a mess, but I was ready to go to bed. But they said, we really enjoy seeing your day-to-day RV life videos. And I just, this video, this isn't one of those like really adventurous kind of trips. We have plenty of those coming up. This was kind of a day-to-day, just, a normal little RV trip, nothing like crazy exciting, but a lot of people like to see the day-to-day stuff. So, and they like to see this face. Look at that face. Oh my God. These are good once in a while, and hopefully, you enjoy those. And look at this guy right here. Let's see if we can get him. He just passed out on the floor. So anyway, we had a great day today. We're headed home tomorrow, but we'll come to chat with you in the morning and kind of wrap things up. But we hope you enjoy, but go check that video out. It's good stuff. And it's the morning. It's a nice day. A little cloudy, but it's a nice one. It's clear. It's not raining. We got a ton of rain last night. It was loud.
The drainage was good here.
Yeah. This was a great place, guys. Again, we'll link the campground review up above if it is out. We are headed out again next weekend, and we're going to another place in Pennsylvania. We're trying a new state park. I'm not going to tell you where, but we like trying all the Pennsylvania state parks, as many as we can. The ones that are kind of close to home, because they're usually very good and very affordable. So of course we'll be bringing you a campground review on that one, so stay tuned.
And also thank you to all our viewers, subscribers. We met a few here. Everybody's always been super nice. We actually were talking about it. We're like, wow, I was surprised we have many subscribers, and then the next day we met a couple. So thank you. And we'll be on the road a lot more. It's going to be 80 degrees today.
I know, isn't that crazy?
Awesome. So we're really looking forward to it. If you like videos like this, guys, to the left of us, we'll put our RV campground reviews playlist. We'll also put our RV vlogs playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.